Healthy sleep habits can make a big difference in your quality of life. Having healthy sleep habits is often referred to as having good sleep hygiene. Try to keep the following sleep practices on a consistent Stick to a sleep schedule. Stick to a sleep schedule of the same bedtime and wake-up time, even on the weekends. This helps to regulate your body's clock and could help you fall asleep and stay asleep for the night. Practice a relaxing bedtime ritual. A relaxing routine activity right before bedtime conducted away from bright lights help separate your sleep time from activities that can cause excitement, stress or anxiety, which can make it more difficult to fall asleep, get sound and deep sleep or remain asleep. Avoid nap in the afternoon. If you have trouble sleeping, avoid naps, especially in the afternoon. Power napping may help you get through the day, but if you find that you can't fall asleep at bedtime, eliminating even short cat naps may help. Exercise daily. Vigorous exercise is best, but even light exercise is better than no activity. Exercise at any time of day, but not at the expense of your sleep. Evaluate your room. Design your sleep environment to establish the condition you need for sleep. Your bedroom should be cool between 60 and 67 degrees. Your bedroom should also be free from any noise that can disturb your sleep. Finally, your bedroom should be free from any light. Check your room for noises or other distractions. This includes a bed partner's sleep disruption, such as snoring. Consider using blackout curtains, eye shades, earplugs, white noise machines, humidifiers, fans, and other devices. Sleep on a comfortable mattress and pillows. Make sure your mattress is comfortable and supportive. The one you have been using for years may have exceeded its life expectancy, about 9 or 10 years for most good quality mattresses. Have comfortable pillows and make the room attractive and inviting for sleep, but also free of allergens that might affect you and objects that might cause you to slip or fall if you have to get up.